Today I'm going to be showing you all the buttons that I know of in Five Nights at Monkey's. So the first one is going to be behind the leaderboard. You're just going to want to click that a couple times until you hear the click sound. You're going to want to come into Info and Nights, turn left, and right behind this creator shirt, you click the button. Then you want to leave and go to Fan Art and Store. Don't turn left, keep on going straight. You should see this thing open. Walk in, and the button should be right there. You want to leave that, and now my favorite part, the gambling. You have to walk up to this guy, alone for Valentine's.
Huh?
What the?
Oh, hello there. Looks like you're alone for Valentine's. Well, I'm going to spin my artificial wheel programmed into my system, and it will choose
He's
an
going
item
to
for
spin
you.
a wheel, and it'll give you something random, and there's a chance that you get a button.
Looks like you got a heart. Stay safe.
Alright, we're gonna speed.
Looks like you got a button. I don't know what that does.
I got it! Okay, so once you get the button, you want to click it. Okay, I don't know what happened. Montage of me trying to find the next button. Sadly, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Bye.